Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. This is Skate Trader episode 5 of the beginner's course. Today we're just going to be talking about how to open and close orders, buy and sell a stock, place a stop loss, and a take profit order. So this is all pretty simple. You'll notice that we have some support and resistance lines drawn in like we learned in previous episodes. I also am using a 50 MA on this one. You'll notice it's respecting it. The stock has entered into an uptrend after bouncing a low, and it started to bounce off the 50. So what I did is I waited for this to come up above this support line that I had in, and also the 50 MA is rising up to meet it. So I placed an order a little bit earlier, but just so you guys could see how you can place an order, you're going to right click and you're just going to go to new order. That's going to pop up. You're going to press buy. You're going to stick to a limit order because that keeps you in control. You're going to order, do 100 shares or so, and you would just press place order. After that, since I already have my order placed over here, what you would do is you would click on this and you would go close by stop loss / take profit order. So go ahead and click on close by stop loss / take profit order. It's going to give you a few presets in here. You can use those or you can enter your own. What we're going to do is we're going to be shooting for our line of resistance up there, which is at 413 roughly. That's our first stop that we've charted. And then for our stop loss, we're going to place it slightly underneath the 50 MA over here. So this has us kind of at a wider stop loss here. We're going to go with around 345. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and place order. Confirm. So now you'll notice we have two tabs right here. One is your stop loss and one is your take profit order. What we can do now is say the candlestick pattern is looking very strong, very bullish, and it's approaching your resistance, and you think it might break resistance, and you kind of change your mind. You say, hey, I might want to sell higher. You can literally just grab onto it and stretch it up higher, let it go, and bring it up to that other resistance line. Press confirm, and there you go. Your order's been changed up to there. It's a really nice feature. It's fast. So to recap, we just learned how to purchase a stock, place a proper stop loss, and place a take profit order. We wait for the price to come up above a support line, start consolidating, then we wait for the MA line to meet up with it. We take an entry using a limit order. We place our take profit slightly below resistance. That's a little bit on the conservative side. We want to catch it before it gets rejected and not be too greedy. The next thing we did was we placed our stop loss, and that goes slightly below your MA line and slightly below your support line. You want to give it a little bit of room to breathe because you don't want to get stop hunted. People are going to hunt for this price and try to get you out of there and steal your position. The concept being demonstrated here is a swing trade. We're going to buy support, sell resistance. Once the stock price moves up, settles on support, consolidates, so you're going to wait for those candlestick patterns to start happening. Also the MA line rising up to meet it. Then what you're going to do is sell at resistance once the stock comes into the range of support and resistance. The next thing to learn is risk to reward ratio. You'll notice that the better the risk to reward, the tighter the stop loss versus the distance between the sale at resistance. That's your risk to reward. So you'd lose one part and possibly gain, say, 5. So you'd have a 1-to-5 risk to reward ratio. So that risk to reward ratio is what gives you a bit of an edge in the market. If you can minimize your losses by having tighter, better placed stop losses and also buy the lowest price possible, you maximize your risk to reward ratio. So that's going to give you more room for error in the long run and allow you to have more opportunities at taking a shot at it and beating the market statistically. So what I hope you'll take away from that last diagram is that we combine a lot of concepts from the previous episodes. We waited for the price to come up and find a support line. It consolidated on it. Then we wait for the MA line to meet up with it. After that, we look for candlestick patterns to confirm that, yes, we are going higher, like a hammer or bullish and goal for the 3 wise men. After that, we learned how to set our stop loss, placed it right below our MA line, and also our take profit order, which was placed below our resistance line. So this all leads into a swing trade. We also discussed risk to reward ratios and how that can be used to better your odds in the stock market and beat the market statistically. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. Make sure you hit like. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe. And as always, guys, keep skating and keep trading.